Hi guys, we're at Stem Cell Miami, Florida's #1 institute of research and application of stem cells. Today I'm here to get my IV therapy, and let's see how it goes. So today I'm here to, like I said, to do the IV therapy, and I've already done my lab work for the micronutrients.
So we're here preparing the IV. Our patient is going to have a vitamin infusion. So we have a combination of several medications here, and we're going to prepare it in saline solution. So now the magic starts. He's gonna start getting vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. So let me go over what you have in there.
Okay.
We decided that you were gonna take a vitamin IV, and we added minerals because that's gonna help you boost your immune system. So we have in there vitamin C and a high dose. We have about 25 grams of vitamin C, which the effect is also antioxidant. So
okay.
I think it's a wonderful combination. Then we have in there folic acid, we have magnesium, we have vitamin B12 and B complex in general. So this is going to help, like I said, to boost your immune system, and it's going to serve as an antioxidant, but it also will bring you a feeling of wellness pretty much immediately. So that's the good stuff. So this type of things is going to help our body to regenerate.
Okay.
So I think it's important. I think everybody should get one of this.
Yeah, definitely.
We're removing your IV. How are you feeling?
I feel great.
Wonderful. We're done.